Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear students?
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Last lesson, we agreed to talk about sensors. Are you ready for this lesson?
Yes.
A sensor or a sensor device is a device that detects signals such as motion, light, pressure, temperature changes, and more. The sensor's job is to collect the data and send it to a computer system that processes it and takes appropriate actions. Sensors are essential components of monitoring and control systems.
Are there examples of sensor devices we know, teacher?
Of course, Nasser. There are many sensors devices around us. They control operations such as turning lights on and off, adjusting temperatures, detecting smoke or fire, and controlling door opening and closing.
So does that mean a thermostat is a type of sensor?
Well done, Rashid. A thermometer is a device that detects and measures the temperature of its surrounding environment. You can find it in refrigerators, stoves, heating and cooling systems, and medical thermometers. Do you know any other examples of sensors?
How about smoke detectors and fire protection devices?
That's correct, Nasser. This sensor is usually connected to a central fire system and triggers the alarm when it detects smoke.
Touch sensors in smartphones?
Good job, Jassim. Touch sensors are sensitive to touch or pressure. They work similarly to a simple switch. When there is contact with the touch-sensitive surface, the circuit inside the sensor closes, allowing current to flow. The opposite happens when the contact is released. Touch sensors are used in mobile devices like smartphones and tablets, as well as in remote control panels.
What about the rest of the sensors, teacher?
There are motion sensors which are used in automatic doors, outdoor lighting in gardens and streets, as well as for security purposes. Also, light sensors, which are electronic devices used to detect lights. You can find them in smartphones and smart TVs, as well as in street lights that turn on at night. There are also pressure sensors, which measure pressure and are usually associated with measuring fluid and gas pressure. They are used in weather stations, aircraft, cars, and pressure-related devices.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we learned that a sensor or a sensor device is a device that detects signals such as motion, light, pressure, temperature changes, and more. There are several types of sensors, including temperature sensors, smoke detectors, touch sensors, motion sensors, light sensors, pressure sensors. See you in the next lesson.